welcome to Gordon Guitar, Young Philly. Long time. Alright, so another song with just 4 chords through an entire song with one string pattern. We love that kind of scenario. Very easy to play and handle, so you can focus more on just relaxing and sing along if you wish. So yeah, a great example of that. Young Philly, long time. Let's start right away with this one. Capo on 6 here. And we have these 4 chords, which we're gonna look at right now. So we have the F. All right, so a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. The next chord will be G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. 3rd chord will be E7. So that is open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And this song will go in that order through the entire song. So F, G, E7, and A minor. All right, and let's look finally at the strumming pattern. F is the 1st chord, so one round of the strumming will sound like this. All right, so that is down, down, up, clap, up, down. Down, down, up, clap, up, down. Yeah, you're gonna play one strumming round per chord, so one chord progression, F1, G1, E7, 1, and A minor 1 will sound like this, a little bit slower. And that was actually 2 chord progression rounds, and that is what you need for this song. With some standard tempo, it will be like this. Yeah, so that covers Young Philly's long time. So enjoy this. Hope it helped, and I hope you support me. Thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? It's been a long time. So if you follow me here on Gordon Guitar, just hit that button and you're along with this family. So see you soon and play tuned.